Hello, people. This is Mr. Ted here. This is a problem I ran into yesterday launching this game, Forever Skies. Got, oops, one minute. This message here. This message here where I couldn't launch the game. What I had to do is go into settings, then go into privacy and security, and Windows security. And then you go into apps and barrels, local controls. And then you go to smart app control here. You go click on the smart app control settings, and this will be on. I had to turn it off to get the game to change, to get the game to start, basically. Something to do with this smart app control it was. I don't know, but it might work for other games where you turn, when this is on, I turned it off, the game works fine now. Got rid of the error, the game launches properly. No way I could get it to work. If this helps anybody, let me know. Appreciate the support. That's it. It's only a little short video. Okay. Thanks for the watching. Just something I did yesterday. Couldn't get it to work. The only way I could get it to work is to turn this off in the smart app control. Okay. Bye. Thanks for watching.